Welcome everyone. Through this video, today I am going to discuss about the topic series. This includes arithmetic series, geometric series and harmonic series. So today I will discuss only arithmetic progressions. So all of you know the basic formulae because it is included in class 10 syllabus. So let us recapitulate the formula. So for an AP, suppose 2, 5, 8, 11, these are the terms. So difference of any term from its previous is constant. If difference of any term from its previous is constant, then we say they are said to form arithmetic progression. In general, look, it is A plus D, A plus 2D. So look, difference is D. So D is called common difference. So all of you know formula of Tn. Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is formula of nth term or general term. Then number 2, Sn. Sum of n terms of AP series, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. And when first term and last term are given, the sum is n by 2 a plus l. So this is second one. Now third, arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean, AM, arithmetic means. So if three numbers are AP, suppose A, B, C, then middle one is called arithmetic mean. So in this case, 2B equals to A plus C. So B equals to A plus C by 2. So this is AM of A and C. So sum by 2. So if there are three terms, you know sum by 3. So AM of A and B, AM of A and B equals to A plus B by 2. So this is our working tool. Now then you know, if there are n terms, so suppose there are two numbers A and B, and we want to insert n arithmetic means between themselves. So arithmetic means, so first, second, third and n arithmetic means. So n arithmetic means between two numbers. So total number of terms is Tn plus 2. So Tn plus 2 equals to B. So A plus n plus 1 into D equals to B minus A. So D equals to B minus A by n plus 1. So what is formula of D? Difference of last term minus first term by n plus 1, where n equals to number of arithmetic means. Now first AM, second term, that is A plus D. Second AM, third term, so A plus 2B. And nth AM, A plus MP. So this is our working tool. So Tn SN and arithmetic mean. And selection of terms. If 3 terms are in AP, and if their sum is given, we take them as A minus D, A plus D. Try to recall. All are result of class 10. If there are 4 terms, then A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. So similarly for 5 terms you can take. Listen, if sum of the terms are given, then we get the advantage, because if we take sum, these cancel out, we get directly A. So these are the basic concepts of AM. Now we consider problems of arithmetic mean. So from description to find the problems, so we are considering they are of same type 1, 2, 3, 4 and 10. So problem number 1. These are basic problems. Now you may notice in JEE Main only basic problems are given. So look, sum of 24 terms of an AP. You have to find sum of 24 terms. Given A1, A5, A10, A15, A20 plus A24 equals to 225. So what is given? A1, first term, A5, A10, A15, A20, A24 equals to 225. 225. So write again A1, A5, A15, A20, A10, A15, A20, A24 equals to 225. 225. A1 is first term. So this is A1 and A5 is A1 plus 4D. D is common difference. A1 plus 9D, A1 plus 14D plus A1 plus 19D, A1 plus 23D equals to 225. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6A1, 6A1. And if we count these, 4 plus 9, 13, 27. 27, 27 plus 23. 27 plus 23. So 50. This is 60, 69D. 69D equals to 225. Now it is divisible by 3. So 2A1 plus 23D equals to 75. So we are getting this relation. Now we have to find sum of 24 terms. So S24. So 24 by 2, 2A1 plus 23D. So this is 12 and from 1 it is 75. So 75 into 12. So you get answer if you multiply. So 150 into 6. So this is 900. S24 equals to 900. So these are very simple problems. Next, problem number 10. Same type of problem. So look, A1, A2, An are in AP. SP by SQ equals to P square by Q square. Find A6 by A21. So SP by SQ, this is given condition, P square by Q square. Now, what is SP? SP is P by 2a plus P minus 1 into D, and this is Q by 2a plus Q minus 1 into D. So 2 cancel, this P cancel, Q cancel. So 2a plus P minus 1 into D multiplied by Q, and this is 2a plus Q minus 1 into D multiplied by P. So from this relation we have to find a relation involving A, P and Q. So look, 2a, if we transfer this term to left hand side, this is 2a Q minus P, Q minus P, 2a, this is Q, this is P, and look, D common, so PQ minus Q, and if you transfer to left hand side, minus PQ plus P equals to 0. So PQ cancel. So 2a into Q minus P, and this is minus D common, this is Q minus P equals to 0. So Q minus P, look, Q minus P into 2a minus D equals to 0. So therefore D equals to 2a, since P not equals to Q. So this option is not possible. So we are getting a relation between first term and common difference. Since P not equals to Q, we are getting D equals to 2a. Now, what you have to find? Look, we have to find A6 by A21, A6 by A21, A6 by A21. So this is A1 plus 5D, this is A1 plus 20D. Now we put the given condition. So what is the relation? D equals to 2a. If first term is a, then this one is also a. So a plus 5d. So this is a. So d equals to 2a. So this is 10a. This is a. This is 40a. So 11 by 41. So A1, A2, An are in AP, and SP by SQ equals to this. Find A6 by A21. So answer is 11 by 41. Now I will consider one more simple problem regarding arithmetic mean. So between 1 and 31 are inserted MAMs, so that ratio of 7th and M minus 1th mean is 5:9. Find M. So Look, so we know if there are n m's, we have already stated m m's between a and b. So what is formula of b? B minus a by n plus 1. So what is b? 31 minus this by n plus 1. So 30 by n plus 1. And it is given 7th am. 7th am. So 7th am by m minus 1th am equals to 5:9. So 7th am, recall, it is a plus 7d, not 6d. 7th am. So a plus m minus 1 into b. So this is given to be 5/9. So now what is a? A is 1. So this is 1. A is 1. So put value of d. So 1 plus 7 into 30 by n plus 1. 1 plus m minus 1 by 30 by. So look here, m arithmetic means are inserted. So here it will be m plus 1. So it is m plus 1, this is m plus 1. So that is why this n is replaced by m. So this is m plus 1, 5/9. So we are getting an algebraic relation. So simplifying, we get value of n. So if we simplify it, so look, m plus 1 plus 210, 211 m by m plus 1 plus 30 m minus 30 equals to 5/9. Now simplify, we get 63 plus 201 so 210 plus 1. So this is 211 and this is 210 plus 1. This one is m. Sorry. So calculating. So 9m plus 9, 18 equals to 31 into 5. 31 into 5. 31 into 5. 155m, and this is 29 into 5. 145. So if we transfer this to right hand side, 155, so this is 146m, and 1899 minus 145. So this is 4, this is 5, this is 7, 1754. So what is m? M is 1754 by 146. So this is 73, this is 8, this is 7, this is 7. So look it again. So look, there is a mistake here. 9m plus 1899 equals to, so 155m, this will be minus this will be minus 145. So 1899 plus this. So this will be added 4402. So what is M? 2044 by 146. So this one is 1022. So if you divide it, you get this as 14. So how many arithmetic means are inserted? 14. So look at this step. This was minus. So when it is transferred to left hand side, this is plus. So we get answer as 14. So number of arithmetic means is 14. Now we consider one typical problem. So look, prove that the numbers 49, 4489, 444889 obtained by inserting 48 into the middle of preceding number are perfect square. The number obtained are perfect square. So suppose we are considering the number 49. So if we 49, so insert 48 in between 49. So second number is 4489. So 4489. So you have to insert 49 at the middle. Then again look, this is first case, this is second. In third case, this is 444889. So add 4 9. So we are getting this. So look, if it is 3, then how many 4s? 4, and this is by inserting 48, this is 48. So 3 8, and at the last this is 9. So if we proceeding in this way, so we get number 4, then 8 8 8. Look at this step, 8 9. So if there are n number of 4s, so look 4 4. So if there are n number of 4, then how many 8? So if it is 4, look 1 2 3, 1 less than 4. So this will be n minus 1 number of 8s, and only 9 at the last. So how many terms? Total number of terms n plus n minus 1 plus 1. Here it is n, this is n minus 1, and this is 1. So number of terms is 2n. Number of terms 2n. Look, in all cases number of terms even. So look, 1 even number of terms, here also even, here also even. So we are getting, so look, arrangements of, if we insert 4 8, and finally we get this type of arrangements. So now what is the theory behind it to get number? So we know if it is x, it is y, this is z. So x plus 10 into y, 10 square into z. Number will be this. So what is the number for this case? So unit place is 9. So number is, number is unit place is 9 plus 10 into 8, 10 square into 8 dot dot 10 to the power n minus 1 into 8. So n minus 1 number of terms. So up to this is n. Then 10 to the power n into 4, 10 to the power n plus 1 into 4, and finally we get 10 to the power n into 4, 10 to the power, and finally 10 to the power 2n minus 1 into 4, 2n minus 1 into 4. Look, total terms up to this is 2n minus 1 and 1 9 alone. So total term is 2n. So we are getting number as this, nth number. So now we want to add this. So 9 as it is. So 8 common. So this is 10 to the power 10 common. So 80 we can take 80 into. So common ratio is 10. So 10 to the power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1. Next, look up to this. So 40 into 40, this is 4 into 10. So first term is 1. So how many terms? Number of terms is n. So 10 to the power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1. So if we take 10 common, then first term is a. So a into a is 1. That is why it is 80 and this is 40. Now you have to express it as a square term. So 9 plus 80 by 9, 10 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. So 40 by 9, 10 to the power n minus 1. Now if we take LCM, so what we are getting, this is 81, 9 into this 81, this is 8 into 10 to the power n minus 10, this is 4 into 10 to the power n plus 1 minus 1 by 9. Now you have to express it in terms of perfect square. So if you simplify it, so look, 4 into 10 to the power n plus 1, 4 into plus 8 into 10 to the power n, this is 81 and this is 80, this is 81, this is 80 and this is 4 into 1, that is minus 4. So 80, so 1, we are getting this as 80, so 1 minus 4. So calculate and simplify. Now look, this is 9 as it is. So 10 into 8, 10 square into 8, 10 to the power n minus 1 into 8. So 10 into 8 is 80, 80 common. So first term is 1. So 1 into common ratio 10 to the power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1. And for the second series, so look, first term is 10 to the power n, 4 common, so a is 10 to the power n, ratio is 10, so 10 to the power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1. So 9 common, 9 plus, look, 80 by 9, 10 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. This is 4 by 9, 10 to the power n minus 1 into 10 to the power n. Now our main aim will be to express it as a sum of two square. So 9, 9. So 9 is LCM. 9 is LCM. So look, 4 into 10 to the power n into 10 to the power n. So 4 into 10 to the power 2n. Now 8, 110 multiplied here, 10 to the power n minus 10. And this one, 4 into 10 to the power n, and 9 into 9 is 81. Now listen, 4 into 10 to the power 2n. This is 8 into 10 to the power n minus 4 into 10 to the power n. So what we are getting? 4 into 10 to the power n. And this is minus 80, this is plus 81. So we are getting 1. So this is perfect square. This is perfect square of what? 2 into 10 to the power n whole square. So 2, 4, 10 to the power 2n plus 1, 2 into 2, 4. So this is a perfect square. So look, only this step is important, then only it is mere calculation. So prove that numbers this obtained by inserting 48 into the middle of preceding number is a perfect square. So this is typical problem. Now we consider 3 same types of problem. So problem number 14, log 3, log 2 base 3, log 2 to the power x minus 5, log 2 to the power x minus 7 by 2 are in AP. Then find value of x. These are basically problem of indices. So you should use formula of AP. So these are these are consecutive terms of AP. So they are in AP, therefore twice of middle term. So 2 into log 2 to the power x minus 5 base is 3. So twice of this equals to first term plus last term. Log 2 base 3 as log of 3, so 2 to the power x minus 7 by 2. So this comes from definition, 2b equals to a plus c. Then our main aim is to omit logarithm. So log 3, 2 to the power x minus 5 whole square. So this is 2 into 2 to the power x minus 7 by 2 base 3. So what we are getting? 2 to the power x minus 5 whole square, 2 into 2 to the power x minus 7 by 2. Now it reduces to the problem of indices. Now if we consider 2 to the power x this as a, so what we are getting? Then equation reduces to a minus 5 whole square equals to 2 into a minus 7 by 2. So a square minus 10a plus 25. A square minus 10a plus 25 equals to, so this is 2a minus 7. 2 to cancel. So if we transfer all term to left hand side, a square minus 12a plus 32 equals to 0. So a minus 8, a minus 4 equals to 0. So we are getting a. So a to the power x equals to 8. A equals to 8, a equals to 4. So 2 to the power x equals to 8. So x equals to, this is 2 cube, so x equals to 3. And this is 2 to the power x equals to 2 square. So x equals to 2. So we are getting two values of x. Now listen, this step to be noted. Now log is defined when its argument is greater than 0. So what is our condition? 2x minus 5 greater than 0 and 2 to the power x minus 7 by 2 greater than 0. So 2 to the power x greater than 5. Here 2 to the power x greater than 7 by 2. So what is common condition? Common condition is 2 to the power x greater than 7. Now you have to look whether these two solutions satisfy 2 to the power x greater than 2 to the power x greater than 5 or not. 2 to the power x greater than 5 or not. Now if we put x equals to 3, 2 to the power 3 is 8 greater than 5. This is correct. But if we put x equals to 2, this will be 4 greater than 5, not true. So this to be noted. So answer is only x equals to 3. 3 is answer. Someone write 2 comma 3. But 2 is not possible due to the domain of this log. So this to be noted. Now they are of same type. Now look, problem number 17. The least value of a for which these three terms are three consecutive terms of AP. So exactly same. So 2 into a by 2. So this is a. A equals to 5 to the power 1 plus x, 5 to the power 1 minus x. 25 to the power x, 25 to the power minus x. So 2 into a by 2. Now we have to find least value of this. Now we can use the result of am greater than gm also. So we know, look, if we take 5 to the power 1 plus x, this is a and this one is b. So arithmetic mean is this plus this by 2, and geometric mean am greater than equals to gm. We know am greater than equals to gm. Geometric mean is 5 to the power 1 plus x, 5 to the power 1 minus x, whole to the power half. So what is 5 to the power 1 plus x plus 5 to the power 1 minus x? This greater than equals to 2 into, look, x cancel, 5 into 5. So this is 5 square. So 5 square, 5 into 5. So square root of this is 10. So this one is greater than 10. This one is greater than 10. And for this one, again if we use am greater than gm, look, 25 to the power x, 25 to the power minus x by 2 greater than equals to whole to the power half. So 25 to the power x, 25 to the power minus x greater than equals to 2. So its minimum value is 2. So what is minimum value of a? So this greater than equals to 10 plus 2. So a greater than equals to 12. So minimum a equals to 12. So look again, 2a, 2 into a by 2, this one. So whenever we are getting this 5 to the power x, 5 to the power minus x, we always use am greater than equals to gm. Or we can use this method also. So without using am gm, So you can write it 5 into 5 to the power x, 5 into 5 to the power minus x. So 5 common. This is 5 to the power x by 2 minus 5 to the power minus x by 2 whole square, a minus b whole square plus 2ab. So it is always greater than equals to 10 because it is square term. 0 plus 2 into 5 greater than equals to 10. We can use also this technique, or if you use am greater than gm, so then it will be simple. Now problem number 25. The numbers this and this form 3 terms of AP. Find the 5th term. So again it is exactly same that of previous one. It is 2 into 14. This is 28. Therefore 28 equals to 3 to the power 2 sin 2x minus 1 plus 3 4 minus 2 sin 2x. So this is 3 to the power 2 sin 2x by 3, 3 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 2 sin 2x. Then put 3 to the power 2 sin x, 2 sin 2x equals to a. So this is problem of integers. So 28 equals to, look, a by 3 plus 81, 3 to the power 4 by a. So a square plus 81a, a square plus 81a. So this is a square plus 81. This is 84a. 28 into this, and this is 243. This is 243. So if you simplify, a square minus 84a plus 243 equals to 0. Now it is a square minus 81a minus 3a plus 243 equals to 0. So a minus 81, a minus 3 equals to 0. So finally what we are getting, a means 3 to the power 2 sin 2x equals to 81, 3 to the power 4. So 2 sin 2x equals to 4. So sin 2x equals to 2. This is not possible. Value of sin cannot be greater than 1. Now what is the second option? 3 to the power 2 sin 2x equals to 3 to the power 1. So 2 sin 2x equals to 1. So sin 2x equals to half. Sin 2x equals to half. So 2x equals to 30 degree. 2x equals to 30 degree. So 30 degree, or you can take in second quadrant also. Then you get first term. So what is first term? First term is first term. So 3 to the power. What is first term? 3 to the power 2 sin 2x minus 1. 2 sin 2x minus 1. So 3 to the power 2 and 2x. What is sin 2x? Is half minus 1. So 3 minus 1, this is 2. First term is 2. First term is 2. So first term is 3. 3 to the power 2x. This is 3 to the power 2x. Minus 1 is here, sorry, this is minus 1 is here. So 3 to the power 0, 3 to the power 0, that is first term is 1. First term is 1. What is second term? Second term is 14. So what is the common difference? 13. So we need D5. So A plus 4D. So 1 plus 4 into 13, this is 53. So fifth term is 53. So again it is basically problem of indices. So these are same type of problem but most important problem also. Now we consider these two problems. These are also important problem. Alpha comma beta square are roots of the equation and beta comma alpha square are roots of the second equation. Find R if R by 8 is AM of P and Q. So equation is x square minus px plus 1 equals to 0. So alpha plus beta square equals to p and alpha beta square equals to 1. So this is one condition. And x square minus qx plus 8 equals to 0. So roots are beta comma alpha square. Beta plus alpha square equals to q and beta alpha square equals to 8. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to find the unknowns alpha, beta, p, q. So if we multiply 2 into 4, look, alpha cube beta cube equals to 8. So alpha beta equals to 2. So alpha cube beta cube 8, alpha beta 2. Now if alpha beta is equal to 2, alpha beta into beta equals to 1. So what is beta? Beta is half. Beta is half. Then this one is beta alpha into alpha equals to 8. So beta alpha is 2. So what is alpha? Alpha is 4. Alpha is 4. Beta alpha is 2. 2 into alpha. So alpha is 4. Now what we have to find? Look, R by 8 is AM of P and Q. So R by 8 is AM of P and Q. So P plus Q by 2. This is R by 8. So R by 4 equals to, what is P? P is alpha plus beta square and Q is beta plus alpha square. And if we put the values, so what is alpha? Alpha is 4. This is 1 by 4. This is half. This is 16. So 20 plus 1 by 4 plus half. So 4 LCM. So 4 LCM 80. 80 plus 2 plus 1, 83. So R by 4 equals to 83. So what is R? R is 83. So we have to find R. Find R. What is R? R equals to 80. So combination of quadratic equation and AP. Next problem number 29. Problem number 29. So AXY Z, comma B are in AP and XYZ equals to 15. So we know a theory. If there are two numbers and n arithmetic means are inserted, then sum of AMs equals to n by 2 a plus b. We use this result to the problem. Now look, it is given that a, x, y, z, b are in AP. So x, y, z are arithmetic means. So sum of arithmetic means x, y, z. So 3 by 2 a plus b. How many arithmetic means? 3. So this is 15 equals to 3 by 2 a plus b. So we are getting a plus b equals to 10. Now second condition, a, x, y, z, b are in HP. So 1 by a, 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z, 1 by b are in AP. So for any problem involving AP, we convert it in terms of, HP, we convert it in terms of AP, reciprocal of AP. So here, so 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z, sum of arithmetic means 3 into 1 by a, 1 by b by 2, n by 2 first term plus last term. So this is 5 by 3, this one is 5 by 3. So this is 3 by 2 and this is a plus b by AB. Now what is a plus b? A plus b is 10. 3 by 2 into 10 by AB. So this one is 5 and this 5 is cancelled. So what is AB? AB equals to 9. So we are getting AB equals to 9. Then what is GM of AB? GM of AB, A comma B equals to root over AB. So root over AB is 3. So option 1 is correct. So similarly, solving these two equations, we find A and B. So we can find A plus 2B, AM of A plus B is equal to A plus B by 2. So A plus B by 2 is 5. So this one is not correct. So you verify the second one solving this. So these are combination of AP, HP and so on. Now we consider 21 and 22, they are of same type. We solve problem number 21. So A1, A2, An are in AP with common difference D. Then find the sum of the series. So they are in AP. So A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, An minus An minus 1 equals to D. It is given. So we have to find value of this. So expression is sin D by sin A1 sin A2. If we simplify, sin D by sin A2 sin A3, sin D by sin An minus 1. Now this step to be noted. What is D? D is A2 minus A1. So this one is unchanged. What is D? Here we take A3 minus A2 because since it is in terms of A3 and A2, sin A2 sin A3, and finally sin An n minus 1 sin An sin a n minus 1. It is sine a n minus 1. Now formula of sine c minus sine d. So sine a2 cos a1 cos minus cos a2 sine a1 by sine a1 sine a2. Similarly this one sine a3 cos a2 cos a3 sine a2 by sine a2 sine a3. Formula, only formula. Sine an cos an minus 1 cos an sine n minus 1 sine n sine n minus 1. So this is only the vital step. So if we use this by this, look, sine a2 cancel out. This is cot a1 minus sine a1 is cancel out, cot a2, and it is cot a2 minus cot a3 plus cot sine a1 cancel, cot n minus 1 cot an. So look, this one, there are so many terms here, a2 a3 cancel, so we are leaving with two terms only, cot a1 minus cot an, because cot a1 is single term, cot an is single term, and rest of the terms will be cancelled out. So what is the value? Cot a1 minus cot an. So if a1 a2 an are in AP, then sum of the series. What is sum of the series? Answer is cot a1 minus cot an. So similar like problems. So here cot is replaced by sec. Cosec is replaced by sec. So today through this class we have solved some problems of arithmetic progression. They are basic problems as well as problems, typical problems also. So you solve rest of the problem from description. Thank you.